Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is Livalore, and today I am back with another video, and it just happens to be a hair tutorial, y'all. And I really got in my bag with this one. I did something completely different, something I've never seen before. So we're just gonna get right into that. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for real. And if y'all have any questions, comment them down below and I'll be sure to answer y'all. I'm gonna let y'all know this is like the 5th time I've tried to record this voiceover, and I've been going through it, so I don't want it to show and I don't want to bore y'all. So I might talk a little bit, I might not. I can leave the descriptions on my hair color, the products I use, and all of that if it's not shown in the video. But honestly, I've been trying to talk through how to do the hairstyle and I really can't do that. It's kind of boring, so I'm gonna do what I can, so bear with me, y'all. I'm gonna not try and sound boring and monotone, but I'm really just a chill person. Like, my voice just is deep sometimes. It's just a little deep sometimes. I can't help that. So yeah, if you like what I'm coming with the content, let me know that. So now I guess we can get into the tutorial. And as y'all can see, I kind of came on here with my hair, I did come on here with my hair already parted, because I took a shower, washed my hair, and I was very upset because I went to get my hair braided and the girl had me looking crazy. So that had put me in my bag, and I'm like, this is why I don't get my hair done by like random people. Sorry, I be trying to give people opportunities, but I'm tender-headed and I can't be sitting here having my hair braided and it come out crazy. Like, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I had to cry about that one, because it was giving very much hair depression, because my hair hadn't been done in a long time. I'm over here just neglecting my pole red hair and she ended up looking busted. So anyways, I'm probably gonna insert pictures of that in a little bit.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
But y'all see me pretty much parting out a section of the heart, like a little triangle, braiding that upwards, and then I'm gonna connect that with the bottom portion. I make sure to section everything off, like every step, just so it looks a little bit neater. I'm out of breath. Okay. So y'all pretty much see me perfecting the heart, and I used a mix of edge control and jam on like the parts and my edges. So yes, and also my hair is 50 million colors, because my girl can't color my hair right now since she's not taking any clients. So don't get on me. I was also sick in this video, so my face red, I was sad, I was just towed up. So y'all see me watching a podcast and I'm just laughing by myself. So if I look crazy, just know I'm going through it, and it just be like that sometimes. The college, all of that, you know what I'm saying? The parts that are sectioned off, even though they look a little crooked, is the braids, as well as the side part, swoop, bang, and the ponytail. And I'm really not gonna talk until I get to the ponytail. Everything outside of this braid I've done in another tutorial. So if you really want to see how I do the ponytail, you can go to my other tutorial. So I'm just gonna touch on it a little bit once I get to that. But honestly, I just be freestyling. I just be playing in my hair. My hair is bright red, as y'all can see, so I don't like looking crazy. You know, my hair already draws a lot of attention. I'm a little dark skinned, chocolate with red hair. I don't like looking crazy, so I had to make sure this really ate. And yeah, I wanted just to record it and put it on YouTube so y'all can see, like, y'all can DIY your hair and really come out fly and just have something unique. And I really do love this heart trend that we have going on. Even though I don't have this hairstyle in my head anymore, I did like some cornrows and I did hearts on both sides, and I just really feel like, even though it's not like Valentine's Day or nothing, it just feels very just heartwarming. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I do like the heart parts. And it's different, it's just cute. I just feel like I wanted a little braid on the side, a little swoop on the side, and a ponytail in the back. And that's what I did. So that's what gave us this tutorial. I know if my roots were re-dyed, it would hit. And y'all seeing me come in with this hot comb because I always hot comb my hair. If you don't have to do all this to slick your hair up, good for you. But as y'all can see, my hair is very thick. My hair is, you know what I'm saying? I just like my hair to be slicked. So you don't have to if you don't really care about that, but I just kind of like my hair being pressed out. I don't know why. Maybe it's society. Don't blame me. It's just a vibe. So yeah, I sectioned off my bang. My part is still a little crooked. I'm gonna end up fixing that. Looking at my hair on camera makes the color literally look a hot mess, but it's okay. It wasn't that noticeable. My kitchen is a little bit broke off, but when I do my ponytails, I just kind of mold them with the hairspray and the blow dryer going back and forth, and I feel like that gives me the best results. And also, this ponytail was not tight at all. It was more so the braids that were tight, so that's why I added the braids in the ponytail at the end, so I wouldn't be snatching my edges out. I do wish I would have put the ponytail a little bit higher, just because my head looked really long, and I feel like that's why I didn't like the hairstyle at first. I got over that. It took me like 3 hours to do this, and I was just really having fun playing in my hair, honestly and truly. So I'm happy I'm in a better mood, because if y'all would have heard these other voiceovers, y'all would have been like, girl, do we need to call somebody? Do we need who you need? You good? But I'm good now. I'm chilling. I'm vibing, and I'm here to make more content. So yes, y'all seeing my patchy hair going to a ponytail, and that got to be hairspray. The blue and pink, or the blue and purple bottle, is like stronger than strong. Like, I don't know what they put in that hairstyle, but when I tell you, for one, it stinks. It smells really bad. It was so hard for me to wash that out of my hair. Like, my hair was stuck to my forehead. If you do this little swoop part, it's gonna make the hairstyle a lot harder to maintain and harder to look fresh. Like, after I say about 3-4 days, my bang was like lifting a little bit, and I would spray more hairspray and it just would look very dirty, honestly and truly. So I feel like the bang is really high maintenance. Other than that, I really did love the hairstyle. These tracks I have in my head, I was supposed to do a tutorial on how I dyed my hair and my tracks, but we're gonna have to get to that another day. I'm gonna need Miss Mamas to do my hair, please, I'm begging you, because I'm looking crazy with the red and the black and the burgundy. So y'all just gonna see me gluing in my tracks. I glue in my tracks for certain hairstyles just because I like things to look a little bit neater and a little bit fuller, and I feel like it was easier taking out the tracks than taking out that hairspray or washing out that hairspray from my head. So don't come for me, do what you want to do. You don't have to do this. You don't have to do any of like the slicking steps. It's just how I like to slick my hair down. So yeah. And y'all gonna see me pretty much molding this part too with the hairspray. And I said hairspray and blow dryer, just to really give me like the shape that I want. And it's looking real good here. Like, y'all see me looking crazy. My eyebrows, I shaved off my eyebrows, so don't come for me. I don't really have no eyebrows to begin with, so it don't really make a difference, but hopefully they grow back in and I could just be a natural baddie. But until then, I really don't have much to say till I sew in my track. I just wanted to tell y'all that my channel is going to be changing. If you're still here, I'm going to assume that you like me or like my channel. And I just want my channel to be a little bit more beneficial for the people who watch me. So we're just going to take a different path. Okay, so I keep hitting this. Okay, so if you care to see that and you feel like, oh girl, Live Allure gonna bring some positivity and a little purpose with her channel, let me go ahead and subscribe. So go ahead and subscribe. Okay, so what I did different about some of my tracks in this time, you're gonna see me pretty much put on this wig cap and sew it down to my bun. And why I did this is so when I take out the tracks, the thread doesn't really make any knots in my actual hair, and I can just cut the tracks from the stocking cap instead of having to cut it from my hair. and I feel like it worked really good. You just need to make sure that you actually tie a knot. I couldn't tie a knot because the thread was too short and I was getting impatient and my arms was burning, but I would really advise you to do so. Or glue on your tracks, whatever, you know. Gluing in is a lot easier, but I don't want to put glue on these tracks. So yes. Now, I didn't show y'all sewing in my tracks because I have another hair tutorial where I did that. Just made sure to hot comb my hair over the stocking cap and making sure that you can't see the stocking cap through the hair. And you know, you gotta make sure you do that every morning, okay? Because you're gonna go to sleep and it's gonna separate and you're gonna wake up thinking you're good. Whole time it's a bald spot in your ponytail, and that is not cute. But it was really looking good right here. It was looking good. And I took that mirror in the back just to make sure, you know, I was straight and my hair didn't look crazy. And went back in with the hot comb. And now y'all gonna pretty much see me wrap around hair to cover the base of the ponytail. And I had to take a large section because the ponytail was so short and I just wanted to make sure that it looked right. So it depends on how long or thick your ponytail is. And I'm gonna let y'all know I did not show y'all styling the ponytail because I did not like the hairstyle when I first did it. But I just ended up bumping the ends. And here I only did my edges with hairspray. I don't know who I thought I was, but I had went to sleep right after. So you can use edge control, hairspray, curl it, press it. It still look cute. They just, I don't know. And they usually be turning pink because when I wash my face, my edges kind of get washed too. That's the hairspray I used. My fingers look crazy because when I had washed my hair, so disregard that as well. But yeah, this is pretty much the end of the hair tutorial. If you stayed and watched all the way to the end, I truly do appreciate you, and I hope you're subscribed because, you know, it's just gonna go up from here, honestly and truly. And I'm new to this, but true to this, and I would like to thank you guys for watching and catch y'all on the flip side. It's Olivia Lord, and I hope to see y'all in another video. Bye, y'all.